Hey everybody, it's Doc. Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to do a pretty easy project in which I am going to replace the stock fog lamps with a brighter amber set that I found on Amazon. And the reason for this is twofold, and the first part's pretty obvious, where these are basically 350 lumen lights. The set that I found on Amazon is about 8 times stronger. And then on top of it, besides the fact that I prefer amber fog lights, there actually are scientific reasons to use amber fog lights, which is amber fog lights penetrate the fog better. They allow people to see you better in the fog. And also that spectrum of light actually focuses better on your retina and is less fatiguing, so you can drive longer without straining your eyes. This is an easy project. Basically, the tools are simple. This is only going to take a few minutes, to be honest. There really aren't a lot of tools required for this installation. You'll need a 10mm socket and ratchet. You'll need a panel removal tool, but if you don't have that, you can probably get by with a flathead screwdriver, which certainly almost everybody has. These are the lights, and they're pretty much plug and play. They can be purchased off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description. And as I've mentioned before, we are an Amazon affiliate, so if you click on that link, that helps the channel we get a little kickback. It doesn't cost you a thing, and then that way we can keep doing little projects like this and it doesn't cost us so much. The other thing you'll probably want will be a set of ramps, and this allows you to get underneath the front end of the car easier. These are not expensive. They are like, I want to say $60, $65, and that's delivered to you. And if you don't have a set of ramps already, you probably should have them anyways, because it really helps you to work on the car for all the little things. Let's get to it. You can see a huge difference in the brightness of the two lights.